And thank you so much, Akofina, as well. So, tonight, the brand ambassador for Three Ways Property Consultants is none other than contestant number 2, Miss Whitney. We have a search for Miss Tourism Masindi Municipality, Miss Masindi, Miss Hoima City, Miss Hoima. So, just as they are there, we have those who marched out as queens for their districts. And I'll begin with the first district. It is a municipality. Miss Tourism Masindi Municipality. It is none other than contestant number 6, Miss Sharon. Congratulations. Congratulations, Miss Sharon. Congratulations, Miss Tourism Masindi. And let's kindly have the representative from the Friends of Masindi to come and from Friends of Masindi, come forward and from Miss Tourism Masindi. Congratulations, Queen Sharon. Friends of Masindi. Thank you so much, Friends of Masindi.
Friends of Masindi. We're not waiting.
Congratulations, Miss Sharon. Our new Miss Tourism Masindi Municipality 2023. Congratulations, Sharon. Thank you so much. And friends from Masindi District, please come forward.
okay. You can stay there. She can gracefully go down.
Your confidence in the way you run.
Okay, apparently we have someone from Masindi district who is going to crown.
I believe you said the number. When you get it good, you get it good, you get it good, you get it good. Why you get it good, you get it good, you get it good. Why you get it
Right about now, we shall have our Miss Masindi District 20, Miss Tourism Masindi 2023, and it's none other than contestant number 2. She is the only contestant coming from Masindi district. that is none other than contestant number 7. That is contestant Pamela. Miss Pamela, ladies, for the participation. And those are our contestants that have won for the queenship and ambassadorial roles tonight. So, still on the special awards, we have Miss Popularity, Miss Personality, Miss Conservation, Miss Talent, and Miss Creativity. These four have been showcasing. As they were showcasing, we judged the best in creativity. That is the creative we are under the theme, Greening Tourism this year. And we had to get the Miss Talent. We need Miss Conservation, depending on their site promotions. At the same time, we have Miss Personality. These people went through a boot camp, which we call a military training. It is more of military training, no mercy at all. And it is so hard for someone to maintain who they are throughout. Some will pretend, others will fake it. But there is always a person who has a genuine character. And that is the person we shall crown Miss Personality tonight. The person, the fellow contestant, found genuine in all her ways. And then we shall have the Miss Popularity. So you may know, the Miss Popularity tonight, the Miss Popularity this year, goes direct to the top 3. Whoever will be our Miss Popularity tonight is going direct to the top 3 queens. So, I'll start with the Miss Personality. Miss Personality tonight is contestant number 4.
It's
is the current Miss Personality, Miss Tourism Uganda, and the outgoing Queen, Miss Tourism Ankole, Queen Hannah Claire Natukuma. We are based on the site promotion. That is none other than contestant number 7, Miss Pamela. They were able to defend their creative way based on the theme, green tourism. And that is none other than contestant number 4, Miss Barbara. You are able to explain and defend your attire tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The next, after it is the last special hour we are giving tonight. The last special hour, this is the girl who qualifies direct to the top 3 of Miss Tourism Bureau this year. And that is our Miss Popularity, the person who won the voting. They had online voting. Thank you so much, Miss Popularity 2023 Miss Tourism Bureau. You're going direct to the top 3. Allow me to take my seat and thank you for being vibrant tonight. Right about now, we are going to have Queen Jackie read for us the top 5. Those who qualify for the top 5. Who do you think will qualify for the top 5 and make it to the top 3? Let's watch the space. The crown is that calling. Thank you so much.
This is going to be interesting. Thank you all for coming to support your favorite contestants. Alright, going straight to the top 5. Let's listen. Otherwise, you will miss out on your contestant's name. So, we've been judging straight from the time these ladies joined bootcamp, the tasks they've been submitting, how they've presented themselves on stage, and above all, the question and answer session. So I believe right now you should be imagining who is in the top 5 or who is not. So to begin with, is Whitney, that is Popularity. She is the top 3. you call that person by a pet name, showing that it's a sign of respect. So, I think Uganda can teach other countries how to respect the elders through pet names. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming up. Contestant number 7. That was contestant number 7, Queen Pamela Osike. Let's have contestant number 1 come forward. Queen Kiosapana Nishabito.
I see a woman, every day in the mirror I see a woman, every day in my mind I see a woman, wonderful woman, every woman, mother of nature.
Question number 8.
Hi, Natasha. How are you? Question number 8. Why do you think people have a negative image of pageantry? What can you do about it? Why do you think people have a negative image of this pageantry? And what can you do about it?
I think
Okay, we're out here, very many people are out here, but outside there, there are people who feel like this is useless or it's not important to them. What can you do to attract them to come to this event?
what I can do is creating websites and posts so that I can impress the youth outside there to join pageantry. I can create the website and post things about pageantry, because pageantry is not bad. Pageantry is not bad. It promotes young girls' talents. Thank you. We shall have contestant number 6, Queen Feminist Zahara. Come forward for the question and answer. That is contestant number 6, Queen Zahara. Feminist.
Hi, Zahara. How is the pressure? Okay, my question is, do children play a part in tourism? If so, what is it? Do children play a part in tourism? If so, what is it? And if not so, why?
Yes, they do. I'll use an example of the ghetto kids who really perfected their dancing when they went out. Thank you.
Thank you, Queen Zahara. Contestant number 6, Queen Felix Zahara. And next, we shall have contestant number 4 come forward, Queen Bonamana Barbara.
Question number 38. Uganda is known for promoting event tourism. Among which is these tourism events?
Thank you for that question.
I want you to understand English. Uganda is known for promoting event tourism, among which is this tourism Uganda events. Hoima City is organizing an event. Which event is that and when will it happen?
The event is called World Tourism Day.
Our right mayor, honorable mayor, if you say she has passed it, then we give her the votes.
Rwanda, Uganda, explore East. I kindly request you to invite a platform, Jane Murungi, then Scholars in New York, the outgoing Scholars in New York 2022. She has really represented us very well, and I'm really grateful to them. Thank you so much. I've never had a queen like you, who has acted in New York, like how you have made it. Thank you so much, Jane. I want to thank you so much for competing. This is not the end. You still be part of this policy.
Let them come back to the question and answer session. As we wait for the top 3 minutes, let us have a walk from the outgoing top 3 minutes. The last walk from the outgoing top 3 minutes. DJ.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the time. One of you is the winners. There is no specific question for a specific person. I have one question for all the three. They will answer the question, and it will be from the answers they will give that we shall identify the winner, the first runner-up, and the second runner-up. Therefore, be attentive, listen to the question, and prepare your answers. Ladies and gentlemen, the fact that this is the final, let us be quiet. If I happen to hear the audience giving the answers, I will change the question to a harder one. Okay? I have judged several of these, and I'm very strict. I'm very strict. I have one question for you. You will all give your own answers. Okay? The question goes, part of Murchison Falls National Park is in Bunyoro region. Part of Murchison Falls National Park is in Bunyoro region. For a tourist visiting this park, will have a chance to see the big five animals. For a tourist visiting this park, will have a chance to see the big five animals. Name the big five animals and tell us which one of them is not in Murchison Falls and where it can be found. Name the big five animals and tell us which one of them is not found in Murchison Falls and where it can be found. That's the question.
The big five animals include the buffaloes, the elephants, the rhinos, the lions, and the leopards. And the animal that is not a Murchison Falls National Park is the lion and can be found at Queen Elizabeth National Park.
Thank you.
Thank you. Queen Elizabeth. Lions, rhinos, and the big five are elephant, buffalo, lion, rhinos, and
Audience, please. Audience. Which of those is not in the park?
within the tribulation.
Thank you very much.
The big fives include the buffalo, the rhino, elephant, lion, and the leopard. Buffalo, rhino, elephant, lion, and leopard. We don't find the tree-climbing lions. But they are found in Queen Elizabeth National Park. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, the question, the answers were the lion, the leopard, the rhinos, the elephants, and the buffaloes. Yes. 2 of them gave them right. Okay? I told you from Elm Street, and I always mind about what to give. These are tourism ambassadors. These are tourism ambassadors. I don't know any, I'm not from this region. 2 of them gave the big 5 right, but they failed on the other one. Then 1 of them gave 4 right and 1 wrong. She gave the next answer right, but where it is formed wrong. Okay? My question was that. Okay? So, as far it stands, as
by its stance and for the interest of the majority.
Yes.
And the interest of the majority. I'm changing the question. Ladies and gentlemen, you are the tourism ambassador. Uganda is known to sell nature-based tourism. In the nature-based tourism, we promote wildlife. In Uganda, wildlife is promoted by Uganda Wildlife Authority, which protects these species. How many national parks are under Uganda Wildlife Authority? And please name them. This answer, the one who gives more, is the winner. The next one, the next one. Okay? Okay. How many national parks are there? And name them. This audience, I know these students in Uganda, their mandate is beauty with what? Beauty with the brain. Okay? So let's promote beauty with the brain. Please. Audience, I accept them right there. Please, we need write your name, your contestant number, and you also sign on that sheet. Ladies and gentlemen, two people have died, and I have the third. Okay? The third said there are 10 national parks, but mentioned 9. Okay? The third said there are 10 national parks, but mentioned 9. Okay? So, we have 2 that have the answers right. Okay? judges says they should answer one more question. The other two, for your own information, contestant Zahara is the second runner. So, this is going to be a very simple question. I'm not going to complicate it. Members, I have been in this industry more than before you. You can't tell me that I don't know the 10 national parks.
No, we're saying who has done it?
Okay, so please kindly allow the judges to do their work, please. Please, you can't do the work of the judges. Kindly sit, be humble, and allow the judges to play their roles, please. Thank you.
Going to write it again. Which of the 10 national parks is shared by 2 countries in East Africa?
The two please kindly come forward and write your answers. Kindly come forward.
Which of the 2
Kindly come and write your answers.
which of the 10 national parks is shared by Which of the 10 national parks is nearest to the capital city of Uganda? Yes.
The two queens kindly come forward and answer the question.
which of the 10 national parks is close or near the capital city of Which of the 10 national parks is close to the capital city of Uganda? Audience, please. Audience. The question is, which of the 10 national parks is close or near the capital city of Uganda? Ladies and gentlemen, we have the winner. We have the first runners-up. Please confirm that those are the answers you have written. You confirm? Please confirm that that is the answer you have written. You confirm? You confirm? Please bring the paper. Please bring the paper. Ladies and gentlemen, the audience knows the answer. Okay? They have written the answers. Let us announce the winner. It's very easy. It is very easy. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, the time is now. We are going to announce. I'm not going to take any of your time. Please, judges, you come and announce this to get it ready. Queen hugging those people. I know it is a difficult moment, but please give them a hug, confirm them. They are already winners. I'm told that the second runners-up has to come and prompt the second runners-up. Second runners-up, please from the second runners-up. And after you have crowned her, we are going to announce. Someone should protect our desk there. Someone should protect our desk there. Ladies and gentlemen, ours is announced. Ours is announced. I want to thank the judges. I want to thank them very much. And as it stands right now, the winner of Miss Tourism Bunyoro 2023-2024 is none other than yes, I was confirming the number. I know the number, but I was confirming the number. The winner of the 2023-2024 Miss Tourism Bunyoro is none other than contestant number 4.
Bunyoro, Bunyoro, the home of the Paco. 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 Impako yawe, impako yanga mochi. Ekande yawe, impako yanga boli. Ekande yondu, impako yanga teni. Ekande yoli, impako yanga boli. Ekande yawe, impako yanga rari. Ekande yonu, impako yanga toki. Empako yawe, impako yanga kiki. Empako yoli, impako yanga boki. Empako yonu, impako yanga jeri. Empako yawe, impako yanga chali. Empako, 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 empako. Bunyoro, Bunyoro, the home of the Paco. 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 Amot, Aboy, Ate, Apuli, Arali, Itwena Tekonze. Atoki, Akiki, Aboki, Ate, Atali, Itwena Tekonze. Amot, Abola, Tenya, Puli, the home of the Paco. Arali, Atoka, Kiki, Aboki, the home of the Paco. Atali, Bala, Diero, Kali, the home of the Paco. Bunyoro, Bunyoro, 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 the home of the Paco. Impako yawe, impako yoli, impako yonu. Impako yangi, impako yawe, impako yoli. Akabumba, pako yakabumba, akabumba, akabumba kali. Akabumba, pako yakabumba, akabumba, akabumba kali. Bunyoro, Bunyoro, the home of the Paco. 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 Impako yawe, impako yanga mochi. Ekande yawe, impako yanga boli. Ekande yondu, impako yanga teni. Ekande yoli, impako yanga boli. Ekande yawe, impako yanga rari. Ekande yonu, impako yanga toki. Empako yawe, impako yanga kiki. Empako yoli, impako yanga boki. Empako yonu, impako yanga jeri. Empako yawe, impako yanga chali. Empako, 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 empako. Bunyoro, Bunyoro, the home of the Paco. 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 Amot, Aboy, Ate, Apuli, Arali, Itwena Tekonze. Atoki, Akiki, Aboki, Ate, Atali, Itwena Tekonze. Amot, Abola, Tenya, Puli, the home of the Paco. Arali, Atoka, Kiki, Aboki, the home of the Paco. Atali, Bala, Diero, Kali, the home of the Paco. Bunyoro, Bunyoro, the home of the Paco. Bunyoro, Bunyoro, the home of Mpako. 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 Mpako Yahweh, Mpako Yoli, Mpako Yolu. Mpako Yangi, Mpako Yahweh, Mpako Yoli. Akabumba, Mpako Yakabumba, Akabumba, Akabumba Kali, Akabumba, Mpako Yakabumba, Akabumba, Akabumba Kali. Bunyoro, Bunyoro, the home of Mpako. Bunyoro, Bunyoro, the home of Mpako. Bunyoro.